This is the weather forecast video for Monday, March 19th, 2012. Taking a look at the satellite image from last evening, the cloudiness off to our west with the storm system there producing some showers and thunderstorms, some of which were severe during the evening hours. That'll be pulling our way slowly but surely, bringing us a chance of thunderstorms this week. Watch warning map from around midnight, some flood and flash flood watches from Missouri through Kansas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, and to Texas. Some winter weather issues from Montana to New Mexico and Arizona, while from the Mississippi River eastward is quiet. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Friday evening at 7 o'clock shows some decent amounts of precip possible across the state, upwards of 1 to maybe 2.5 inches over the central counties, while the driest will be over the northwest. Let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. This is at 1 p.m. this afternoon. There's that trough over the western half of the country, that big ridge that has been bringing all this warm weather over the eastern half, and right smack dab in the middle is the storm system with the showers and thunderstorms, some of which could be quite strong to severe from the state southward. A post will be on that later today. Even into Tuesday, still a shot at some showers and thunderstorms, some of which could be quite strong, maybe severe further to the south, and the temperatures will be dropping as a result down into the 60s and 70s. And this storm just takes its good old sweet time. It cuts off from the main flow over Texas. The shower and thunderstorm chances drop off here on Wednesday. They pick back up Thursday as this upper level feature just spins and spins over the Oklahoma and Texas panhandle. So the chances of showers and storms picks back up again on Thursday. And into Friday there could be a shot at maybe some rain then too. All in all, temperatures drop back into the 60s for highs. No more 70s and 80s for at least a little bit. Saturday there's to start off the weekend, that upper level feature is now moving overhead, so we could see some isolated showers and maybe a crack or two of thunder then, with temperatures down in the 60s. And finally, by Sunday, that storm has moved away, and temperatures still above average will be in the 60s for highs and 40s for lows, and that's still about 10 to 12 degrees above average. But unfortunately, that dry period don't last long, as by a week from today, here comes another storm system with some energy over the Dakotas and Nebraska, ridge over the south and east, and we could have another shot at some showers and storms. So some active weather coming and some rain that's pretty much needed. The ground is getting pretty dry across the state. Heading further into the month on the 30th, pretty zonal flow west to east across the country, no real ridge, no real trough. And with this fast-moving storms will tend to move pretty fast from west to east, with maybe a shot at a shower or a thunderstorm with this, but there's no real frontal system anywhere close, so they'll be scattered. At the end of the forecast, or getting close to the end of the forecast, on the 3rd and into the 4th, here comes another storm, a pretty decent amount of energy coming through the middle part of the country, and that could bring a cold front down with some showers and thunderstorms along that, with maybe even some colder air behind it. That could be some white stuff, especially in the Black Hills of South Dakota. And moving on to the end of the forecast, that low moves off to the north and east, and cold air comes down, and this may bring temperatures down to average. Thank you for tuning into the weather forecast video. We'll have another one on Tuesday.